Hi, this is William again from diamondandgenius.com. We are the marine caretaker and marine services, as you know already from my previous video. And what I want to show you on this particular video is the PadXpress clear renovator. You know, for the people with yachts and powerboats, you know that your clears will always, go through quite a bit of harsh environment. They'll become a bit opaque. They have some streak marks and so on. It's quite difficult to look after them if you don't have the right product. So this company, PadXpress, has a range, of course, of nautic and automotive and motorcycle and aviation. But now we're going to talk about the nautic version of the Plexi Renovator. And the Plexi Renovator is actually very good for clears, for Plexi windscreen, and all this type of screen that you have, whether on boat or in aeroplane, helicopters, and so on. So PadXpress retails this into a neat little package, which is quite different from our bigger brothers, of course, which is the polish that I showed you in the earlier video. Okay, so to use the system, it's the same as the polish version. It comes in a little box. You will open the box. You will find first a adapter, then you will take the foam out. The foam out will come with its own pad, right? And it will have the PadXpress patented polishing system for the clears with the special polish system inside the foam. Okay, and I will demonstrate that to you. So what we're going to do, you can just use a normal cordless drill and make sure that it's one that's got variable speed. It's quite important because you cannot use too much speed on them. Okay, it's held properly. You get your pad adapter, put it on, that's it, it's all done. Now you take your clear polishing pad foam and you install it onto your hard pad. Okay, very simple. And it's ready. We'll put that aside for a minute. I did a polish before, and you can see it's quite easy to see through. Alright, that's the one I did a few minutes ago. I just put some tape just to show it. Okay? Mm-hmm. So that's a finished product that you will get. And what we're going to do now, I'm going to demonstrate onto something which is quite, liver worn. Okay, let's take this one for example. You can see quite difficult to see through. Alright? So I'll put this underneath just to protect it. You can see it's quite dirty already straight away. Alright, so I'm going to put some masking tape for the simple reason that I want to show you the difference once we finished between done and not done. So we're going to use this one. So you get your Plexi Renovator, a soft cloth, and remember what I said is the Plexi polish will come out of this. So to get it done, all you have to do is a tap. You see, it's there. That's all you have to do, nothing else. And then we start with the speed, just slow speed. Why we're doing a slow speed initially is because we don't want to burn the clear. Because at the end of the day, it's a vinyl. So we go gently. You don't have to put too much pressure. Like I said in my previous videos, you don't have to be a bodybuilder. Anybody can do it. A little bit speed. Okay, just have a quick look. Alright, just give it a bit of a wipe. Give it another little coat. Remember, this is a demo unit, that's why it's a little bit dark now. Okay, a bit more, and so of course, as you keep drying, the polish will dry, the reviver will dry, and you just keep polishing. Okay, so we've done one side. I just have a look. Yep, this side is done. Just jam 3. Okay, and now we just turn it around. You can see it's still pretty opaque on this side. Thank you. Okay. All right. So a bit more. Okay. Let's polish it. So again, we go slowly. You can already notice that as I'm going past on those marks, they are slowly being removed. They are slowly disappearing. Touch the angle because it's not too hot. Yeah, seems to be okay. And we'll give it a bit more speed. So now we're actually polishing. We're not putting any force on it. Just let the pad do its job. look there, right? Let's give it a little wipe. I'll turn it back the other way. Give it another quick speed up. Okay, so you can see only a few minutes. Alright, let's remove that. Actually, we can leave it on to start with, just to give you an idea. Alright, you can see from either this side or the right hand side the difference between what I've cleaned and polished and what has not been touched. And it's quite, you know, it's as my wife says it, it's magical. There are no product on the market anywhere in the world that can do this. And I'm not, you know, boosting this product. We know from a fact it is not available anywhere else in the world. Nothing is similar. The aviation industry is just mad about this product, especially on all the helicopters and the plane. So there you can clearly see the difference. Yeah. I mean, before, I mean, you can see there, you can hardly see through, and then you move to here, and it's clear. It's like, you know, a new clear that we just installed. This is our business. I mean, we are in the upholstery and canvas business as well. This is our core service. So we know about clears, and I mean, to have a product that can actually do this, it's just amazing. I mean, it saves a lot of money for the customer. They don't have to put new clears. Of course, if your clear is brown already, we can save it. But something like this, no problem. Just revive it, and you're good for another, you know, 3 years, 4 years. You look after it. So there you are. So once again, this is the Plexi Renovator from PadXpress, and it's available from us at diamondengineers.com. We are based in Padden Nasirat, and we are the distributor for PadXpress Asia and Oceania. My name is William. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope that you have learned something, and we can give you the opportunity to try it. Cheers.